This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. All is well. Let's take a look at gold, and we can see just a couple minutes ago was trading at the highs of the session. Right there, up about 1%. We take a look at GLD, and this is a quick educational video on how one can use the RSI for short-term swing trading. So right now, if we take a look at GLD, and this is consistent with what we've seen with the general market. My last couple of videos are going to be explaining what I mean by that. So take a look at the last 3 videos on my channel as of today. And we can see here that we've come to this level. We seem to be pulling back on this hourly chart. Again, this is 60-minute bars. So an hourly chart. And we can see that the market is hitting that level. It also happens to be where we break down here, which is coming off this gap down. And we can see this is consistent with a break of a trend here. Now we take that RSI break level and use my uniformity method. Links for that method are going to be in the description of the video. Extend it out like that and just kind of capture the last couple of areas where the market has pulled back as far as GLD is concerned. We can see it's come on this line. And in fact, we can even see that all these shallow intraday pullbacks have come with the resistance back below the black line. If we draw a line connecting RSI highs, we see again, this is also matching up nicely with where the market is showing a little bit of an intraday pullback or a stall point. And we can even draw another line connecting recent RSI lows. And you can see all of these lines are making contact or intersecting exactly where the RSI is trading. So let's say if you are a swing trading trader trying to find the next swing, intraday swing, it looks like the market is suggesting that it makes more sense and that the odds seem to be favoring a pullback intraday. This would be consistent with what we've seen with the general market over the last day or so. Again, check the last 3 videos in this series. So the only way we can get a push higher in prices above this level on the GLD is by the RSI clearing and taking out all these RSI resistance lines. We'll see how it goes. This is Eric Muathe. Love light, light love. Namaste.